Welcome to Aarti's Education. Today we are going to learn our next questions from practice set 31, that is question number 4, 5, 6 and 7. The fourth question is, the Jijamata Women's Saving Group bought raw materials worth rupees 15,000 for making chocolates. They sold the chocolates for 22,050 rupees. How much profit did the WSG make? Here WSG means Women's Saving Group. Here also we are going to write the given information, that is cost price and selling price, just like we do in our part 1. So here the cost price is 15,000. This is the cost price because they bought a material from it for making chocolates, and after making them they sold the chocolates for rupees 22,050. So this is our SP, means selling price. Let's write the given information in our notebook and then we are going to solve how much profit did the WSG make. So here the CP is 15,000 rupees and the SP means selling price is 22,050 rupees. Now we have to find out the profit here, and we know the formula of profit very well. So we are going to write here formula and then we are going to fill the values in the formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So here the selling price is 22,050 minus cost price is 15,000. Let's subtract these two numbers. 22,050 minus 15,000. Here the number we get is 12 minus 5, it's a 7, and 1 minus 1, it's a 0. 7,050. So the answer here is 7,050 rupees. This is our profit. So we can write now WSG make means Women's Saving Group. WSG make a profit of rupees 7,050. Now let's look the next question. Fifth question is, Pramod bought 100 bunches of methi greens for rupees 400. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches of his handcraft got spoiled. He sold the rest at the rate of rupees 5 each. Did he make a profit or a loss, and how much? So here we have to find out the answers of two questions. First question is, did Pramod make a profit or loss in this transaction? And the second question is, how much? Look here. Pramod bought 100 bunches of methi greens for rupees 400. So this is our cost price, that is 400. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcraft got spoiled. 30 got spoiled. So the remaining bunches sold at rupees 5 each. So here we have to find out, did he make a profit or loss? Let's write the given information first, so can we find out it very easily. Pramod bought 100 bunches of methi greens for rupees 400. So 400 is our cost price here. Our CP is equal to 400. In a sudden downpour, 30 of the bunches on his handcraft got spoiled. So he bought 100 bunches. We know that 100 bunches of methis minus 30 which were spoiled. So here the answer is 70 bunches. Now he have in hand. Now he have in hand 70 bunches, and these 70 bunches he sold the rest, means these 70 bunches at the rate of rupees 5 each. So find out the selling price. We have to multiply 70 bunches by 5 because this is the price of 100 bunches. And this price is given for only one bunch. So here we have to find out the price of 70 bunches. 5 zeros are 0 and 5 sevens are 35. 350 rupees. Look here. Now our CP is 400 rupees and SP is 350 rupees. We can see here CP is greater than SP, and when CP is greater than SP, we have a loss in that transaction. So here Pramod have loss in this transaction. The answer for our first question is he make a loss. He made a loss in this transaction. Now we have to find out how much. So for how much we have to write the formula of loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So our cost price is rupees 400 and the selling price is rupees 350. Let's subtract these two numbers. We find the number 50 here. Rupees 50 is the loss here. So how much loss occur in this transaction? 50 rupees. Now let's look to the next question, sixth question. The question is, Sharad bought 1 quintal of onions for rupees 2000. Later he sold them all at the rate of rupees 18 per kg. Did he make a profit or incur a loss? How much was it? In this question also, we have to find the answer of did the Sharad make a profit or loss, and next question is how much. So we are going to use same method as we took in our fifth question. Let's write the given information first. In sixth question, the given information is cost price, that is 2000 rupees. He bought 1 quintal onions for rupees 2000. So 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. This is important to us to find out the selling price. Now let's look to the selling price. Here they tell us that later he sold them all at the rate of rupees 18 per kg. So 18 rupees is the 1 kilo's price. We have to find out the 100 kg's price. So for it we are going to multiply 100 by 18. So when we multiplied this, we find 1800. So our selling price here is 1800 rupees. Now compare these two numbers. CP is equal to 2000 and SP is equal to 1800. We can see here selling price is less than cost price, means cost price is bigger than selling price or greater than selling price. So in this transaction, Sharad has a loss. So to find out how much loss, we have to write the formula of loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Here the cost price is rupees 2000 minus selling price is rupees 1800 or 1800. Let's subtract these two numbers. We find 200 rupees as a loss. Now we can write our final answer is Sharad has a loss of rupees 200 in given transaction. Like this. Now the seventh question. The question is, Kantabai bought 25 sarees from a wholesale merchant for rupees 10,000. So 10,000 is the total price of these 25 sarees. So this is our CP, and sold them all at rupees 460 each, means per saree get rupees 460. How much profit did Kantabai get in this transaction? Now we have to find out only the answer of one question, that is how much profit. They gives us a profit. So here Kantabai made a profit and we have to just find out how much profit did she get. So let's write the given information first. Here also for selling price we have to multiply the given rate with the total sarees. So our CP in this transaction means cost price is 10,000 rupees, and for selling price we are going to multiply 460 by 25. This is the rate of per saree and total sarees are 25. So 25 zeros are 0, 25 6 are 150, 25 4s are 100 plus 15, it's 115 rupees. So selling price is 11,500. Now we have to find out the profit here. So just write here profit, formula of profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Let's find here selling price is 11,500 minus cost price is 10,000. When we subtract these both numbers, we find 1,500 rupees as a profit. So we can write here our final answer. Kantabai make or get rupees 1,500 as a profit. This is the solution of practice set 31. Hope you understand it. Practice the questions and answers very well. In next video, we are going to learn about total cost price and profit or loss. So let's see you in practice set 32. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.